At Runway Safe, we like to believe that we don't just come in and sell you the bed. We believe in creating a partnership with the airports. So as a result of that, we came up with the idea of aftermarket sales. With aftermarket sales, we can provide you services, materials, and just a general overall relationship post-sale. So we're not coming in and walking away. We are quite literally there throughout the lifetime of your bed. Some of the services that we're going to be offering, and we do currently offer, are testing to test the strengths of your bed. We came in and we can do inspections of your bed to make sure that the integrity of your seam is still there, the integrity of the blocks is still there, and that your bed is functioning as it's supposed to be. As with anything that you buy, these require maintenance. So over time, we can provide maintenance options, such as seam seal rehabilitation, which needs to be done from time to time. Just like you need to change the oil in your car, you have to change the seam seal on your beds. We can come in and we can do block replacements. And of course, the obvious one, in case of an incursion, we're there on the ground to support you and provide you with all the expertise and advice and materials that you will need to repair your bed so that you can get that runway open, back and running as soon as possible.